say grace so I can feed my face. If you're new to the crew, thanks for coming through. If you've been here before, then you know what's in store. Thanks for coming back. Hey y'all, how are y'all? Today we're having a Chipotle chicken salad sandwich. There's pasta salad in here and a pickle. My husband brought me this. It was ordered from work. He didn't want it. I said, baby, that's content food. Okay, look at this little box. So we have a Chipotle chicken sandwich, the pasta salad, a pickle, and a cookie that I'm not gonna eat. I leave it for the kids. The Chipotle mayo, mustard and mayo in here as well. Oh, I got silverware. I didn't need silverware. Ooh, and a York peppermint patty. I'm definitely not eating that. Do y'all like York peppermint patties? I do not like none of that. And I got some New York spicy dill pickle chips, a cherry Coke, water. Let's get this together. You can see I'm outside. It feels amazing today. It is Monday. Ooh, it's olives. It smells good. There's black olives in there. I don't know about that. We'll see. I've been waiting for this. I wanted this sandwich. And then we bought sushi, and I was like, okay, well, I'll do my sandwich. Oh, yes, baby. Look at that. 2 tomatoes. I love tomatoes. My husband does not eat cheese. Y'all know that by now if you've been around. That's why he did not want this. There is definitely provolone on this sandwich. I'm gonna get all this mayo. Spread the love, baby. Yes. And one bite. Ooh. Amen. Again. Let's try. Delicious. I felt like I was a little cricket. I'm back. I love a good pickle. Love. And these chips are my new favorite. It's supposed to get in the 80s today. I don't know what degree it is right now, but it feels so good out here. I was like, it's a sandwich. It's almost summer. Like, let's go outside and enjoy our sandwich. I remember as a kid, sandwiches. I mean, that's it, sandwiches. Sandwiches were a summer staple. After playing outside in the water hose or the pool, we go to the amusement park. My mama would always pack sandwiches. On our drive down to Florida, she would make us sandwiches in the car. Like, sandwiches were a staple. It's just something I grew up having. Let's try some with some mustard. I ain't crazy about mustard, but let's try it. Hey, Miss Angela, that's your bite. Miss Angela love her some mustard. Not bad. Not bad at all. Look. Sandwiches, watermelon, hot dogs, hamburgers. Like, those are our summer staples growing up. What was y'all's? What food reminds you of summer? My parents would just, we had picnic tables, and they would just take 2 or 3 watermelons and just cut them up. And we would sit out there and pig out on watermelon. You got juice running down your chin. You got juice running down your arms. And I had some watermelon yesterday. I bought a watermelon last week, actually. And me and Addy been munching on it. And I shared some with Cindy yesterday. We tore that watermelon up. There's still some left. We might do a little bit of the watermelon at the end if I got some room. Let's try it with some ranch. I knew it was gonna poop. I hate when sauces poop. Y'all probably don't call it that, but I call it that. Take a look at all that. Ugh. Just give me the sauce. I hate all of that. I got another one in the house, though. Nothing like a good sandwich. Woo! Now look, my kids, that scared me, of course. I ain't going in the house though. But my kids, they done after that. That bee would have came by, Mom, there's a bee. They going in the house. These city kids ain't like us country kids. I'm a country girl. I would go outside barefooted. And nothing but rocks and sand. And have a ball. And still go outside barefooted. I'm a country girl. It's deep country. Yeah? Get you another one. Woo! Excuse me. Let's try this pasta salad. It smells really, really good. I don't know what kind of sauce they use, but that's not good. I'd rather eat mustard. Okay, let's go back to our sandwich. We can't do that. That's horrible. But so what kind of pasta salad it is? Excuse me, it just say pasta salad. They shouldn't give that to anyone. I got a quick topic. Relationship receipts. Walk with me. I've been with my husband finna be 10 years. I can tell you. Okay, let's rewind. Say we got a divorce, God forbid. I love my husband. And it's court time, custody time. I can tell you if he's ever possibly done anything to me that I feel is deemed court worthy. I can only tell you outside of my mouth. I have no pictures. I have no text messages. I have no proof. The only proof I have is that I buried his 4 children. And that's because they living and breathing. That's it, right? And that's how it should be, right? If you're truly in a happy marriage relationship, what are you keeping receipts for? And if you get to a stage where you need to keep receipts, why not just walk away? And if you've been keeping receipts from the beginning, why were you ever in this relationship? I'm no relationship guru. My marriage isn't perfect, but I'm happy. We're happy. Our home is happy. Our kids are happy. Have there been things over our 10+ year relationship happen? Absolutely. Do I have proof? No. For what? Because issue, okay? Conversation, forgive, move on. We don't throw it back up in each other's faces. Now, the difference is if there's said issue, conversation, forgiveness, you do it again, or we can't move on, then what are we doing here? What are we doing? Make it make sense. And I'm saying all of this because of the divorce between Jeezy and his now ex-wife. Sorry for the rumbling. Who's now dropping pictures of him walking around the house with a blaster and saying neglect and stuff like that. Why do we have receipts if you was, and this was from the beginning. Why do we have receipts if you were truly happy all this time and he was such a perfect father and husband? Maybe I'm just different. I don't even care if I'm a celebrity. I don't understand that. I get like DV, and that it. Yeah. Of course, take those pictures and keep those pictures, but move on and leave. And I know I've never been in that situation. People say it's hard. You don't understand until you've been there. I don't understand. That's different. But just, I don't know, child. I digress. What y'all think? Anyway, it's a beautiful day. You hear the birds chirping? I'm about to bring the kids out here. I still got my nephew, of course my son, and the baby. She here today. We finally got a new restaurant that I've been wanting to try. So that review is coming soon. Probably next week. Two restaurant reviews I gotta do this week. Maybe that's what I'll make next week, a whole restaurant review week. And I can think of one more place I can go try, because I got two. Yeah, we'll do that. I'm getting full, y'all. This was good, though. A free meal. A good free meal. And that's one of my reviews. And I'm going to tell y'all when I record it, so y'all can get it too. All I had to do was download the app, and I got a free chicken sandwich. Who's not finna go get this free chicken sandwich? It looked good too. Let's try this pickle and we out. This ain't gonna be long at all. I'm gonna wear the little people out so they'll go to bed. Mm-hmm. Better than Firehouse, because they pickles be flimsy. And they taste old sometimes. I'll save the rest for my kid. She like pickles. Well, that's it. That's all, y'all. And I got my shirt on. Let's say that. Shout out to Base Chick. There's an ant on my phone. I just love nature. Y'all, my appetite coming back strong, and I love it. Oh. Excuse me. I apologize. This soup is so good. That hit the spot. It's probably almost 1 o'clock. That was my first meal, and it was delicious. The wind blowing. It feels so good. Ooh. Strong. These little minis are a joke, but I got a deal on them at Sam's, so I got them. Hold on. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like, and hit that post notification bell so you know it's time for me to show up. We're back, baby. The ant is back too. I just knocked him off my phone. Why did he want to be a part of my video? Biggest fear growing up. Cause I done stepped into an anthill or two, a red one. Y'all ever stepped into a red anthill? Baby, it's like you on fire. And I guess that's why they call them fire ants. Cause they done lit my leg up a time or two. Now I just smother them in Dawn. This soap, that'll kill them. Okay, I'm gone. Thank y'all for watching. I love y'all. Later.